Hello friends. After understanding Gross Ecosystem Product GEP in our previous video, let us understand one similar project about ecosystem accounting named INCASE in this video. We will understand what is the INCASE project, why behind this project, what is natural capital accounting, what area is used for the study, 3 phases of this INCASE project, and the outcomes of the project. So let's start with what is the INCASE project? Irish Natural Capital Accounting for Sustainable Environments, known with the acronym INCASE, is an EPA-funded research project in Ireland. It kicked off in March 2019 and will run until 2023. INCASE is the first Irish project to develop natural capital accounts for different sites in Ireland. If you have a question, where is Ireland? Ireland is an island in the North Atlantic. It is separated from Great Britain to its east by North Channel, the Irish Sea and St. George Channel. Ireland is the second largest island in the British Isles and the third largest in Europe. Why this project? Ireland's environment is a priceless asset on which all people depend for food, water, air, energy, inspiration, beauty and wonder. People impact on it too. Humans' way of life is a major driver of climate change, biodiversity loss, water, soil and air pollution. Integrated, evidence-based solutions are urgently needed to inform policymakers and support decision-making that recognizes nature's limits and enables us to live within them. Natural capital accounting is one such potential solution. A new approach, it seeks to connect ecosystem and the benefits they provide to people with the beneficiaries, using methods familiar to statistics and economics. This INCASE project combines the skills of natural scientists, economists and statisticians to account for nature's benefit to people so that we can take stock of what we have in a way that helps everyone to better understand nature's importance and to manage it in a more sustainable way. The aim of the project is, the INCASE project will provide a platform whereby the process of NCA, that is Natural Capital Accounting, the outputs and stages in process and potential applications can be developed in the Irish context. INCASE will inform the extent and condition of natural capital, the associated services and benefits, where investment and or restoration will be required and where it should be prioritized at the catchment level to deliver the RBMP's River Basin Management Plan, with a view to providing guidance on how the work is scaled up to the national level. The project team will prepare accounts for 4 catchment areas across Ireland using United Nations System of Environmental Economic Accounts (SEA) Central Framework and SEEA Experimental Ecosystem Account Guidelines. Accounts for the 4 catchment will map the stocks and flows of ecosystem and geosystem services, highlight challenges, knowledge and data gaps, and recommend a framework to operationalize natural capital accounting in Ireland. So, what is included in the study? Applying the United Nations SEEA approach, the most widely used NCA approach at the European Union level and globally. INCASE will pilot the development of a suite of relevant natural capital accounts at the catchment scale to provide a comprehensive view of stocks of natural capital assets and the flows of services within each catchment. How these stocks and flow relate to society will also be investigated. Working at the catchment level, INCASE will inform through a process of learning by doing how best to develop catchment natural capital accounts with a view to providing a guidance on how to scale up to the national level. 4 catchments have been selected for INCASE, representing a range of conditions and characteristics. The INCASE project team brings together different disciplines, organizations and expertise in an integrative way, with work by researchers from Trinity College Dublin, University College Dublin, University of Limerick, National University of Ireland Galway, IDEEA, Institute for the Development of Environmental Economic Accounting, and Irish Forum on Natural Capital, IFNC. So, what is natural capital accounting? Natural capital accounting is the process of calculating the total stocks and flows of natural resources and services in a given ecosystem or region. Natural capital has unique features which relate to the diversity of nature, the complexity of living systems, capacity, condition, nonlinearity, feedback loops, and resilience. An appropriate asset accounting model is therefore required for the purpose of accounting for natural capital, assets, and flows, one that can be standardized to allow for comparative and repetitive measurement and reporting at national, regional, catchment, or site or business level. Before going further, do you know what is the capital exactly? The International Integrated Reporting Council defines the term capital as referring to any store of value that an organization can use in the production of goods and services, distinguishing 6 capitals for reporting purposes, as illustrated in this figure. All types of capital are needed to support human welfare, and human capital combines with natural capital to create manufactured or financial capital. However, as this figure illustrates, all other capitals rely on natural capitals. This reflects discussions around the Sustainable Development Goals (SDGs), and again, the nested approach clearly defines the role of nature as that which underpins all else. If you want to know more about the Sustainable Development Goals, you can watch these videos at the right hand corner on your screen. Natural capital accounting consists of stocks and flows. So, from an account perspective, defining natural capital as an important and valuable capital or stock brings the discussion about nature into a common language more traditionally associated with economics. It also reinforces the need to replenish and invest in nature stocks to bring them to a level appropriate to sustain the present human population and the future population scenarios. Within the context of NCA, another key concept is that of services. The services that flow from nature to humans, and our ecosystem provides a wide range of benefits, including the provision of food, regulation of the climate and landscapes, vistas, and provide us with recreational use and ultimately health and well-being. These services flow from the stock of natural capital. Now, let us view the 3 phases of this project. In phase 1, which is methods and data, the objective is to produce a literature review of natural capital accounting and explore various methodologies that are around in the world and identify the data sources along with the data gaps. In the second phase, the ecosystem accounts, the selection of 4 river catchment for the study is done. Then they collect the existing database and develop the indicators, test the strength and weakness of the account and identify the data gaps, and develop the framework to guide the appropriate use of the monetary valuation. In the third phase, that is economic analysis, use an input-output model to assess the impact of policy change on natural capital stocks. Use the data visualization for it, produce a gap analysis on information monitoring system and policies underpinning them, and conduct economic impact assessment to better understand the trade-off between the policy options. So, what is the outcome of this project? INCASE will establish the process steps of NCA to bring data on natural capital stocks and flows of services into a centralized data platform, which can be used in multidisciplinary way to inform policy decisions at sectoral and intersectoral levels. Developing the INCASE project for the selected catchment will fulfill the main objective of INCASE, which is to develop a framework whereby NCA can be implemented at the catchment level, providing learnings and insights as to how to apply NCA at the national scale. Potential applications will be developed for different sectors like climate action, agriculture, etc. over the course of INCASE. The project team includes ecologists, economists, and practitioners, and the combined guidance of the project steering committee includes policymakers, catchment scientists, data managers, scientists, statisticians, and environmental economists will serve as a discussion platform for the potential role of NCA, and specifically with the SEA approach, to link with the system of national accounts, SNA, in Ireland, thereby working toward developing better metrics of sustainable development. Integrating NCA as a tool in decision making facilitates multiple analysis, including identification of trade-offs, disservices, and co-benefits. The account can be used as a standardized filter and a common language on which to inform integrated and intersectoral decision making. All the information I have used in the video is available at the INCASE website and publish report section there. Please do check for more details. Link is given in the description. Please have a view of all acronyms that are used in this video. In next video, we will get detailed information about Gross National Happiness Index. See you soon in next video. But hey, meanwhile, if you find this video helpful, please like, comment your views about the video and subscribe to get connected. Thanks a lot for your valuable time. Have a great day.